Welcome back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne and this is the kitchen segment. Today we are doing another 3-ingredient recipe, and this one is also pancakes. So we're getting into the fall. A lot of people love that pumpkin flavor. So what we have here is a half a cup of pumpkin just from a can. If you make your own, that's great. So we're just going to put it directly into here, into the bowl. Comes out easy. And 2 eggs. Now, what's so nice about this recipe is that it's gluten-free, besides being delicious. It is also low in carbs, and if you're on Weight Watchers, you can eat all the pancakes. It makes about 9. It's free because it's 2 eggs and then a half a cup of the pumpkin, which is considered a vegetable. We looked it all up. You can look it up too if you don't believe us. Now, your 3rd ingredient can be vanilla. It can be cinnamon. It could be, you don't have to make it only 3 ingredients. You could throw in some cinnamon and vanilla and mix it up. And then I'll show you how to make it in the pan and how they cook up beautifully. But our 3rd ingredient is going to be honey. And we're not going to put the honey directly in here. We're going to drizzle just a little bit of it over it. Now, of course, you can use syrup and butter. You can do all of that. But my sister is trying to be figure friendly. She has quite a beautiful figure, but she wants to keep it. So she's trying to be healthy and she wants to eat low carb and as little as she can of sugar. So pumpkin is not as sweet as a banana. So that's why we are going to be adding a drizzle of the honey on the outside. And you just see, I just mixed this up. Simple little consistency, mixes up nicely. As long as your pan is nice and hot, these cook up beautifully. I'm using a really good nonstick pan. If you're using a griddle, you might want to hit it with a little bit of like a spray, or you might want to just do a quick rub down with olive oil or coconut oil, whatever it is that you use. But we don't have to use anything, so it doesn't add to any of the points. I always test drive these first and experiment with them. So what I'm telling you is true, and if you don't believe me, you can look it up. Okay, all right, I'm gonna take you over to the stove in a minute and show you what it looks like. Again, nothing fancy, no fancy tools, just a tablespoon. There's 3, they're cooking up nicely. You have to give them a minute and a half, and then we can flip them. I love when you flip them over, they puff up. Look at them. Oh my goodness, they're luscious. I cannot wait to try them. With a tiny bit of honey drizzled over them. Again, you can add chocolate chips, cinnamon and chocolate chips. It's up to you. 3 ingredients. Delicious. Okay, I'm gonna try them. Oh my goodness, look. Look how light and airy they are. They really are good. Okay, thank you for tuning in. We look forward to hearing from you. Contact us at www.fromthefoxesden.com. We want to hear your stories so that we can share them. Maybe you could be a guest on our channel. Thank you, and you have a good day. Bye.